I think we should probably dive in and see what the phone can do, don't you? Let's get rid of this, let's get rid of this, and let's pop the battery into the phone. So I'm opening the phone, as I did earlier, and I'm going to pop this to line up, pop them in. Oh, I haven't heard that tone in a long time. Right, we're going to go through the setup on this device. What's your language? I would like my language to be in English. I'm just using this button here to go through. Do you want to set your timing down now? Yes. The time is... So this is currently on small font. I've clicked large font to see what that does, and power saving mode will turn off mobile data, Bluetooth and LCD brightness. You can turn that on. Next. There we go. We are up and running. I am so excited by this. Oh boy. Just as a quick thing, I finally managed to get the noise off when you're moving around the keypad, because I know that is something that can annoy people. So just to show you that, hop into personalization, hop into sounds, and then you go to keypad volume just here, and you can move that up. Obviously that is an insane noise to be having going on every time you move around on this phone. So I turn that to silent, and then I put the volume of the phone up a little bit. So this is just me having a play around and looking at the phone. So just to run through what this phone has just out of the box. It's got your call history, your contacts, and then your gallery, your internet messaging, camera, Facebook, Snake, Xania, and then as you go down, there's settings, there's music, there's sort of pre-installed apps, which obviously we all would prefer not to have, and then there's calculators, alarms, voice recorders, files, and then a calendar as well. So what I am going to do is throughout the weeks, I'm going to release more videos as I go through on this phone and show you what it can do. I can lock the keypad here, so that's now locked. So therefore, if I do anything with it, it won't work. I want to unlock it, I click the main button, click it again, and then click that button there. And then I've got my button here, which is searching for radio stations. Just running in the radio, having a search here for stations. And it's found 22 stations. You can see I can increase and reduce. We're going to be diving into this phone and seeing what it can do as we move forward. Do let me know what you want me to show you on this device, and I will do my best to show you that. So there you have it. That was me going through what was in the box, going through just a couple of things that the phone can do. I'm going to go into far more detail as the weeks progress and show you more information about this phone. There is just something very, very nostalgic about clicking away on a Nokia device built like this. It's just... This feels like the perfect size of a phone. Fits perfectly in your pocket, isn't particularly bulky. Oh, there's something so nostalgic about holding one of these again. I appreciate that this is a newer model of an old Nokia classic, but it is still, there's something super nostalgic about holding one of these. So this device, as we go through, I'm just going to show you what it is and isn't able to do. If you have anything you'd like me to do on this phone, pop it below and I will do it. I think one thing off the bat, this phone is a super simple phone. It does connect to the internet, but it doesn't connect via Wi-Fi. The only connections that this phone has is via 4G. It also has Bluetooth connection as well, as you can see there. So it's going to be super interesting to see how this phone performs. I will, in the next video, pop a SIM in it and we will mess around and have a play with this phone on data roaming on the internet. But before that, I think we probably just need to listen to the Nokia tone one more time. I'm very excited by this phone, so behave yourselves and I will see you soon. Just enjoy this.